Since they haven't been able to have a child while engaging in frequent unprotected sexual activity for a year or longer, nearly 1 in 7 couples are infertile. Up to half of such couples are affected to some extent by male infertility. Low sperm production, poor sperm function, or obstructions that limit sperm delivery can all contribute to male infertility. Men's infertility may be brought on by illnesses, accidents, chronic health issues, lifestyle choices, and other circumstances. Male infertility is a condition that can be frustrating and distressing, but there are several therapies available. So let's look at what causes them and some advice on your course of action. Stay until the end to get a good understanding of the causes and treatment in case you or someone you know is having a hard time getting help. Let's dive in. Conception of infertility. When a woman's egg and a man's sperm combine, new life is created. The ejaculate must include about 20 million sperm per milliliter, which sufficient mobility and strength to swim the distance to the fallopian tube where the whole conception originates. A young, fertile couple has a 1 in 5 chance of getting pregnant each month. A couple is believed to possess fertility issues before 1 year of unsuccessful infertility attempts. Fertility problems are fairly common. 1 in every 15 couples has trouble getting pregnant. Most of the time, assisted reproductive technologies can benefit the couple. About 30% of infertility issues in relationships begin with the woman. 30% more come from the male, and 30% come from both partners. 1 in 10 couples that are evaluated for infertility had no cause found. This type of infertility is known as unexplained or idiopathic. Some lifestyle choices impact fertility. You should always take care of your weight because it has an impact on how well you become pregnant. Also, pay attention to the website. Your fertility's warnings about the effects of caffeine, alcohol, and smoking on how you get pregnant. Obstacles promoting male infertility. After being produced in the testicles, sperm spend 2 to 10 days traveling through a network of tiny tubes called the epididymis, where they develop before leaving the testicles and entering the vas deferens, the seminal fluid from the seminiferous tubules or the seminal vesicles and the prostate gland are combined with the sperm that have been released from the vas deferens into the ejaculatory duct. Muscle spasms during ejaculation push the semen out of the penis and into the urethra. About 1 in 3 occurrences of male infertility are due to blocked or absent tubes, including the vas deferens. Vasectomy or damage may be the cause of tube blockages or absence. Male infertility is brought on by sperm-related issues. Genetic factors are assumed to be the root cause of issues with sperm quantity or quality. Some males with sperm issues may be missing very few pieces of the male chromosome. This may lead to azoospermia, the medical term for lack of sperm in the semen. The testicles may not be generating sperm or the tubes may be blocked. Low sperm counts refer to inadequate sperm in the ejaculate to support fertilization. A healthy sperm has the shape of a streamlined tadpole. This is an abnormal morphology. Sperm with unusual shapes may have trouble piercing the egg's surface. Poor motility. A better and healthier sperm has a lashing tail that makes it easier for it to move through the female reproductive system. Sperm that has weak movement may swim poorly or not at all. Male infertility issues and causes. Variosity. A variosity is basically the enlargement of the testicular veins. It is the most frequent treatable reason for male infertility. Variosicles may result in infertility for unclear reason. However, irregular blood flow may play a role. Sperm amount and quality are decreased as a result of variosicles. Infection. Some infections might affect sperm health or production, or they can lead to scarring that prevents sperm from passing through. These include some sexually transmitted diseases, such as gonorrhea or HIV, as well as inflammation of the testicles or epididymis. Although some illnesses can cause irreversible damage to the testicles, sperm is typically still retrievable. Ejaculatory problems. When orgasm occurs, semen enters the bladder rather than coming out the head of the penis, resulting in retrograde ejaculation. Retrograde ejaculation can be brought on by a number of medical disorders, including diabetes, spinal injuries, drugs, and surgeries on the bladder, prostate, or urethra. Sperm-attacking antibodies. Immune system cells, called anti-sperm antibodies, wrongly view sperm as dangerous invaders and make an effort to destroy them. Tumors. Male reproductive organs can be directly affected by cancers and benign tumors indirectly through reproductive hormone-producing tissues like the anterior pituitary or through unexplained causes. Surgery, radiation, or chemotherapy utilized to treat malignancies can occasionally have an impact on male fertility. Undescended testicles. One or both testicles in certain male fetuses fail to migrate from the abdomen into the testicular sac during development, or the scrotum. Men who have experienced this illness are more prone to having decreased fertility. Imbalances in hormones. Testicular problems or abnormalities affecting other hormonal systems, such as the hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid, and adrenal glands, can cause infertility. Defects in the sperm transporting tubules. Sperm travels through a variety of tubes. They may become blocked for a number of reasons, such as unintentional harm from surgery, past infections, trauma, or improper growth, like in cystic fibrosis or other genetic diseases. Any level of obstruction is possible, including the testicle itself, the tubes that drain it, the epididymis, the vas deferens, close to the ejaculatory ducts, and the urethra. Chromosomal flaws. Guys' reproductive organs grow abnormally as a result of inherited diseases such as Klinefelter syndrome, in which a male is founded with 2 X chromosomes and a Y chromosome, and then by 1 X and 1 Y. Kalman syndrome and cystic fibrosis are 2 more hereditary diseases linked to infertility. Difficulties during sexual contact. These include erectile dysfunction or ED, sexual premature ejaculation, sexual dysfunction and painful sex, and anatomical anomalies like hypospadias, which is the presence of a urethral hole beneath the penis, and sex-interfering psychological or interpersonal issues. Celiac illness. The digestive ailment known as celiac disease is brought on by sensitivity to gluten, a protein that is present in wheat. Male infertility may be impacted by the disorder. Following the adoption of a gluten-free diet, fertility may improve. Certain medicines. Male infertility can be decreased by hormonal therapy, long-term heavy drug use, chemotherapy for cancer, some pharmaceuticals for ulcers and arthritis, and a few other drugs. Men who have infertility due to hormonal issues. A number of glands and their hormones control the level of male sex hormones. Under the direction of the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, which is present in the brain, affects hormone synthesis in the testicles. Inadequate production of the hormone gonadotropin is the relatively uncommon and rare cause of male infertility. Medical avenues. The quality of a man's sperm cannot be improved by any therapy. However, a number of methods can raise the likelihood of conceiving by utilizing the sperm quality that is already there. Even if they cannot do so during sexual contact, many men have enough sperm to fertilize their lover's eggs in a test tube. Most of the time, assisted reproductive technologies can benefit the couple. Men who are infertile have access to the following reproductive technologies: surgery, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, hormone treatment, artificial insemination, or in vitro fertilization, or ICSI. Obstacles to sperm movement, sperm quality issues, and sperm quantity problems are the main reasons for male infertility, or low sperm count. Sometimes it can be functional problems or impotence and hormonal problems. It is greatly advised to seek medical attention and think about the preceding steps. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end of the video. We hope to see you in the next one. Like and subscribe for more videos similar to these.